Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast. My name is Lisa. Today we have a new episode, and our topic is how to succeed in your first job. Many young people feel scared, nervous, or confused when they start a job. So today, we will help you step by step.
Hello, friends. I am Paul. This topic is very important because your first job can change your future. But don't worry, we will use easy English, slow speaking, and simple examples. Let's start.
Paul, many people feel nervous on the first day. Is it normal?
Yes, very normal. Everyone feels it, even smart people. The first day is new. New place, new people, new rules. The key is stay calm, smile, listen carefully.
Good point. Just breathe, relax, and be friendly.
On the first day, you need a simple introduction. Here is an easy example. Hello, my name is blank. Nice to meet you. I am happy to work here.
Simple, polite, and professional. Many people start work but don't understand their job clearly.
Yes, that is dangerous. You should ask your boss, what is my main job? What do you want me to do first? Clear job is less mistakes.
Yes, don't hide it. Don't be scared. Say, I'm sorry. I will fix it. I will do better next time.
Communication is very important at work.
Right. Speak clearly. Listen carefully. Don't talk too fast. Don't talk too much. And don't shout. Use polite words.
Working alone is difficult. Teamwork makes you stronger.
Help your team. Share ideas. Don't fight. Don't blame. When you work well in a team, people trust you.
Always be on time. Being late many times is unprofessional.
Use a simple rule. Do important things first. Don't wait until last minute.
Respect your boss. Respect your co-workers.
Yes, don't gossip. Don't complain too much. Respect brings good relationships.
If you don't understand something, ask.
Asking is not stupid. Not asking and doing wrong is worse.
Many people are scared of the boss.
But the boss is also human. Speak slowly. Be direct but polite. Example, can you please explain this part again?
Take notes in a small book.
Yes. Don't try to remember everything in your head. Notes help you not forget.
Sometimes the job is stressful.
Take short breaks, drink water, focus on one task at a time. Don't panic.
Your attitude is more important than your skills.
Yes, be positive, be patient, be honest.
Always improve yourself.
Learn new tools, learn new techniques. Never stop learning.
Set small goals for each week.
Example, this week I will finish work faster. This week I will communicate better.
Every company has rules.
Don't ignore them. Rules help the company run smoothly.
Work is important, but health is more important.
Sleep enough, eat well, work hard, but rest too.
Don't run away from problems.
Face them. Think, What is the problem? What is the solution?
Be friendly. Smile. Help people.
Good relationships make work easier.
Your first job is only the beginning.
Yes, learn everything. Try new tasks. Become better each month.
Thank you for listening. We hope this episode helps you become more confident in your first job.
Yes, remember, work hard, stay humble, and keep learning. See you in the next episode.